Hi and welcome to Knowledge East. Hi, Bhumi Soni, you have joined. I'm waiting for others to join. So, if you have any question regarding RRB PO interview process, you can ask me, or I will give a short description what we are going to do in this brief period of time. We'll go ahead. In between, if you have any question, you can ask me. So I think as of now you have been to my channels, my YouTube link, that is Knowledge East. So there I have taught in last 6 months. I have been teaching for SBI CBO, Bank of India, Credit Manager, Risk Manager, etc., and PNB Risk, Credit, Treasury, etc. And many internal promotional batches I have conducted, and so many mocks I have conducted, and in the tiny list of 76 people qualified in Scale 1 Bank of India, I have 10 of my enrolled students and 30 of my entire subscribers got selected. Some of the success videos are shared. Why we are distinct, why we are unique than others is that we are the bankers, and we decide the flow of the interview. And what I want my students to do is to decide the flow of interview. राइट मैं हिंदी में भी बोल सकता हूँ, जो हिंदी में सुनना चाहता है वो बोल, इफ दे वांट मी टू स्पीक इन हिंदी आई विल आल्सो talk in Hindi. Mayank, Bhumi, I will come to you, your questions, your queries. So in case you have doubt, you can come forward. We'll have a one-to-one mock. Before the mock, I will take 3 sessions of yours, clearing what to do and what not to do in banking interviews, especially RRBPO interviews. Also, the access that I am going to provide you to my Knowledge East application, there for this batch, I am going to share few materials and few videos, which is going to be very, very necessary for your interview preparation. Remember, banking interview is not like any other interview. It's different. It's not like a corporate interview. When you are applying for a banking interview, you must have some banking awareness, some banking knowledge. Think a point. Many interviewers say, many mock interviewers say that you should have knowledge about the current affairs. If you don't have banking knowledge, that's okay, but I don't believe so. If you are a owner of a hotel, अगर आप एक hotel चलाते हो, you want to recruit some new cook, and you will train them and you will make them brilliant cook in future. But what if all of a sudden you find a cook who is very much who is having expertise in cooking biryanis or any kind of foods, that is maybe Italian, maybe continental. So what will you do? You will upfront recruit them. So if the interviewer finds in you that being a fresher, you have all the skills of being a banker, then they will select you outrightly. They will select you upfront, right? So if they know that you know something about AML KYC, if you know something about banking, if you know something about check, then it will give them a sense that you are going to be productive at the first hour of your joining. So that is the skill that bankers, that is the skill that the interviewer looks. So many of you are fluent about current issues, current affairs, but what about banking? Apart from current issues, banking, I will apart from current issues and about yourself, I will be focusing on banking knowledge, and I want my students to take this interview flow towards their knowledge and skill and to showcase what they know, right? So if you will go to my other mock and other interviews where I'm taking, if you once join my application, there are hundreds of mock. In YouTube there are limited, but if you will find my way of taking mock is different. I decide what could be your possible question in a real interview, because I have been part of both interview and both the interviewee and the interviewer. I have been the part of boards. I was still till now I am appearing for interviews up to scale 4. So that helps me a lot. Any question? Anyone? Ishwar, you have unmute yourself. Do you have any question? You can go ahead with your question.
So how do we prepare for banking?
So see, banking, you don't need to prepare banking at a very expert level, but minimum level of banking is required. So for that, I have some few videos. I have few basic level videos and PDFs where I have discussed everything clearly. See, in banking there is something called AML KYC. Are you aware of it? AML KYC.
No.
Yeah, AML KYC is very important, and for freshers it is very much required to understand what is KYC, what is AML, anti-money laundering, know your customers.
Okay.
This is very much important. When you go to a bank to open a savings account or a current account, you need
Hmm.
to produce your KYC, that is your ID proof and Aadhaar proof. But there are so many things about KYC. If you go through my 60-minute video about KYC, there I have addressed everything about KYC. And if you will spare 60 minutes, you can qualify in AML KYC certification of IIBF as well. So that much of information I have provided, and my PDFs, my presentations, my materials are up to date, and that will give you a sense what to prepare and what not to prepare. See,
Okay,
you
so
have
where
10 days
can
time in
get
your
these
hand.
materials?
You have 10 days time in your hand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Is this Bhumi, right?
Yes, sir, Bhumi.
Yeah, Bhumi. So you have 10 days time with you, right? So if you read everything on earth, you are not going to qualify, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for you, on basis of your educational qualification, on basis of your introduction, first 10 seconds will be your introduction. On basis of your introduction, the next question will be asked by the interviewer, right? If you'll say something that you have done your masters in music, so definitely next question will be coming from a music field, or why you have interest in music, or why being a musician or having exposure to music you wanted to be a banker, or why from being a BTech graduate you wanted to be a banker. So this type of questions will flow. Apart from this, there will be definitely a question, what do you know about banking? I want my students to go to the banking interview panel knowing most of the things at basic level about banking. Most of the things I will not take only mock. I am not here to take only mock, because I think taking mock is not an intellectual job, and I don't do anything that is completely rubbish. In the comedy shows, the judge role is similar to a mock interviewer's role. I don't do that. I feed so much of banking knowledge so that you don't fail in your interviews, because this is the last leg of your preparation and you cannot afford failing here. Understood? You cannot afford failing here. So for that you have to have 20 maximum 10 to 20 videos you need to watch in banking. That will be taking around 20 hours of your time, and you have around 10 days in your hand to clear that 20 videos. I will be giving you that private playlist also. I will be giving you the access in my application, also in a private playlist, which can also be opened in YouTube. And that PDFs, all that 20 video will carry separate PDFs. Either you watch the video or you go to the PDFs. Everything will be clear. And I will be taking 1 hour before my CBO interviews. I have taking, so many people have joined for CBO. I am the number one educator for SBI CBO. So before that, I will take 1 hour session for all of you to decide what to read and what not to read. What are the things that are going to be discussed in farmers law? There are so many things, but you need to have limited knowledge. I was looking at the other day, some mock interviewer was saying he is having so much of banking experience, saying that you can give a presentation about farmers law in your interview board, and that your point of view can differ to the interview board. But this is not the case. I don't want my students to fight with the interview board, right? You cannot have a difference of opinion with your interview board. So for that, there is a very beautiful thing I tell my students. When a political question asked, the great answer to that could be, sir, I'm a very small, I'm a too small person, too small a person to answer this question, or I am too small a person to have a judgment, or to have a opinion about it. But I'm aware of the facts, what is there in the farm law, what are the three farm laws, but I don't have any opinion about it. Just a second, friends, just a second. I'm getting a call, very important call. Just So you should not have any difference of opinion. That is what I teach, and 10 seconds of your introduction is very much important. 10 or 15 seconds you have to prepare your introduction part. I will tell you what to tell, what not to tell. Your introduction is going to leave a beautiful impression on the minds of your interviewer. So that is going to be crucial for your selection, because when you go and enter into interview board and you introduce yourself, in very fast 10 seconds, I as an interviewer, I will decide that whether I should take him or her or not, right? Because even if in your life you meet people, you meet new friends, just by shaking your hands, or just having the eye contacts, or just having first two round of talks, or 2 3 words of exchange, you decide, yes, this person belongs to my category or not. You decide in first 10 seconds, right? You decide in very fast 10 seconds. So similarly, the interviewer decides whether this person is worth of it or not. So I want all of you to keep some emphasis on reading banking knowledge, current affairs of banking importance, current affairs of banking importance. You can tell that you don't have awareness about something, but you have to showcase default banking knowledge. You have to showcase default banking knowledge. You cannot go to RRBPO interview without knowing AML KYC, right? You cannot go there without knowing PSL, without knowing repo rate, reverse repo rate, without knowing this monetary policy committee. See, I have a list of favorite questions of banking interviews that I have told to my RRB PO scale 2 scale 3 people, and out of that list there are 30 odd questions, 30 to 40 odd question on banking. None of any question out of that syllabus, out of that list of question is asked. But for you, I have a little more list of questions, because you are at a fresh level. So maybe things, they may ask you varied things. Not in-depth knowledge will be asked to you, not in-depth knowledge, but as an outsider, how much of banking knowledge is required to be known, that is required to be known. So I will put my extra efforts for all of you, so that I could give you some list of banking knowledge, so that it will not only help you in this interview, in all upcoming interviews. And when you qualify, or maybe it takes time for you to get selected in a bank, so best way is to do few IIBF certification. Okay, so in free times you must do some IIBF certification. I will be referring as a fresher what are the certifications you must do, so that any upcoming interview you will be the first preference for the interview. So this is
One
it.
question.
Yes, Mohan, go ahead.
Yes, sir, this thing I heard for one of my friend who is currently working in IRB. Like he told that the interview asked a very depth question to the commerce way, because I did my graduation in 2011 from the commerce. So, and like it has been a very long time, and it is very Herculean task to remember all these things. So,
So yes, I got it. I
yeah,
got
yeah,
it. I got
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
See, one thing they ask about you, your profession or your educational qualification. If you have been to commerce, and unfortunately that person also belongs to commerce, was a commerce graduate, he will ask something about commerce. Otherwise,
Right,
not. Right. This is the first thing. Second thing is, yes, they might ask you a few things about commerce, but not everything about the commerce. Things uh, that has banking importance. Many things in commerce has banking importance. So for that, there are some banking related things like balance sheet kind of things that you must know. Right? If you are a commerce graduate, things related to balance sheet, things related to ratio
yeah.
analysis, you must be knowing. So for that, I have complete solution that I'm saying you. You have seen, if you will go, you see, if you will go, you see. I am teaching students of internal promotion exams of ARRB Karnataka Gramin Bank, where the chairman, the video is live there, where the chairman also comes and praise the way we are taking the classes, and he is into my classes, and he also learned few things. So I will give you, I have complete exposure to RRBs, the way the questions asked, and see, one will be the soft skill person and all others will be from RRB. So I exactly know what type of questions they are going to ask you, and I will decide on basis of your performance in my mock interview what are the questions that they are going to ask you. For that, I want to make this your introduction so well that only the questions from your introduction, 2-3 questions from your introduction should be asked, and then in between you will drive them towards your banking knowledge or you will drive them towards your other knowledge, right? Just a second. So this is it. Don't worry, I will be giving you the list that is required to be learned about banking. Even if you have left your commerce graduation and course along back, the interviewer has also left it so many years back. But they still have a
Right.
favorite list of favorite questions. Actually, we analyze questions. I always circulate Google Forms soon after the interview ends. So we find out from the pan India level what are the questions that are asked last time, what this set of people have in their mind. So there is nothing to worry. I will be taking care of all this because what I do, I decide the flow, and mostly the way I take the interview, the questions that I ask, largely similar questions are asked by the interview board. Largely similar questions are asked. See, I don't do like the job of a mock interviewer. I want to educate my students in banking. I want to make them confident. One of my students, you see my BOI success batch, BOI success people were giving their interview. One of my student was saying, when she enrolled to me, she said, sir, there is no chance that I will get qualified. Still, I'm having some sense that I may give a try because I have 5 years of gap, and that job was requiring experience, banking experience, and there was a 5 years of gap, and even my family and my friends, everyone says that having a gap in your job is very detrimental. They will not select you if you are having a gap. That means you are not eligible enough. So I said her to glorify her gap. To glorify, this is the angle in which you view things, because if you will go with a positive mind, with an optimistic approach, then only you will get selected. I told her this is one of your biggest bonus point that you have left your job 5 years back. She said, how sir? Because you can tell, sir, it requires courage to leave the job, and the job that is not working well for me and the job that cannot give me enough time for my family is not worth pursuing. I left it. I made my family, I arranged my family, I brought up my child, and now I read enough to qualify in the written test, and I am here in the interview. And the second thing is, if I would not leave a job, how could I join a lateral entry job? Because your job requires 2 years of experience and requires me to leave my job. Even if I would have been pursuing it, I would have left it to join you. So they got very much happy and selected her. You can see her. You can see even people in her family saying that you cannot. But if you believe you can, then you are right. If you believe you cannot, then also you are right. It is only thing that is your belief that works, right? Rakesh,
Yes, sir.
you can
Yes,
unmute.
sir.
You can ask anything you want to ask. Yes, someone else.
Yes, it's Mayank here. My
Yeah.
next question is, sir, what is more important for bank PO interview?
Hmm.
It is the core knowledge of the subject or the knowledge about the soft skills? What is the more? Because I faced many interviews regarding, not for the particular in the banking industry, but in the many private companies I worked for the last couple of years. So what I felt कि like उनको soft skills चाहिए होता है, but in
नहीं,
the
सॉफ्ट स्किल
banking
नहीं चाहिए
interview,
होता है. ठीक है, बैंकिंग में सॉफ्ट स्किल नहीं चाहिए होता है. बैंकिंग, प्राइवेट बैंक में सॉफ्ट स्किल चाहिए होता है. दे वांट पीपल स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश.
yeah,
नो, बट बैंकिंग में वो नहीं चाहिए होता है. दे डोंट रिक्वायर पीपल विद दैट मच ऑफ सॉफ्ट स्किल. And people say that it's okay if they ask you a few questions, you can say no, but they will only look at your confidence. But that is not the way. Confidence is required, but that confidence must be derived from the banking knowledge and the awareness of your surroundings. आसपास क्या हो रहा है?
yeah,
तुमने ग्रेजुएशन किया था इसमें कॉमर्स में. Do you have idea what you have done? If you don't have a clear-cut idea about your past, then how come you will gain knowledge in banking? And yes, if you know banking, then certainly you are going to get an edge. If you know banking, certainly you are going to get an edge. That is it. That is it. Banking knowledge चाहिए, ठीक है? मैं I am going to yes.
Core knowledge is
Banking
essential.
knowledge चाहिए. It's definitely see, they are not private bankers. They are conventional old generation bankers. So see, मैं तो अपने मेरे जो स्टूडेंट स्केल 3 स्केल 4 के लिए भी इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, I told them not to wear a blazer. They come wearing blazer to their office daily, but I tell them not to do so, because there is a reason behind it. I will be explaining everything to you. So because I don't only analyze the questions, I also analyze the psychology of the interviewer and the way you are participating. I am very sweet in this moment, but when you will join my mock, I will be asking you very tough questions. I will be you will find me very unhappy with you. I will find me very rude with you. But that is what and once the mock ends, I will have a smooth discussion, because sometimes what happens, this interview board will be cordial with you, will be very fond of you, but sometimes they will ask questions in a very rapid fire manner, in a very dissatisfying manner. So you cannot have a mock with your friend. You cannot have a mock with someone who loves you. You cannot have a mock with someone who is very friendly at you. You should always have a mock with someone whom you know less, right? Whom you know a little, because what I do, I forget about everything about you. Obviously, I have thousands of students. I have to forget. I don't remember a lot about everyone, but there are few who are close to me. Even if they are close to me, what I do when I take their mock interview, I forget what are the graduation. I ask them from the beginning and the way a new person would have asked them. So I want to master the skill of taking bank mock, and we are proud that we have delivered so much of result. I have never been to the written coaching of SBI's IBPS or RBPO, but I have been to every other field of banking. In lateral entry, my students varies from scale 1 to scale 5, scale 6 even, and many of them are chartered accountants. So it will be a glad experience for me to train people for this very entry level job, because I have been an aspirant in the year way back in 2011. So it will again in 2021, it will be a very challenging thing for me to contribute to all of your success. So I'm looking forward to make a grand success and be part of our YouTube network of knowledgeists. And once you join, we'll be providing you all the access to our web and exclusive app. Our app is only for students, those who are preparing. So I will be trying my best for you to get selected. So for that, I need all of you to work hard. Okay. Because when I started this thing, the beautiful thing is SBI's DGM was telling me the other day, the many people were attacking me. He told me that they're trying to get access of your materials, the way you are functioning, etc. But the one thing that they cannot take away from you is your intent to work hard. So that I want from all of you. Maybe in last attempts you couldn't make it, but remember, to overcome hard luck is to hard work. The only way to overcome hard luck is to work hard. So I want all of you to be part of this glory. We will make it again together. This is going to be my 4th batch after BOI, PNB and SBI CBO, and I am here to repeat the history with all your love and support. So thank you for being with me. Thank you. Thank you.